this?
It's atoms.
Well, give them back to Adam. Oh, these are my atoms that I ordered. They're my model atoms. I can't wait to unbag them. Let's see what we got. I got a hydrogen. Oh my gosh. Another hydrogen. It's a dupe, but it's the best one. It's the first element on the whole table. Oh my gosh. I got an oxygen. It's my favorite. I can't live without it. Oh, I'm so lucky. When atoms bond together, you get a molecule. And in the case of this molecule, we have water.